Great. Okay. Oh, holy smoke! What was that? Okay, so much for us selling 15.5 there. That's a little bit late on that. Man, that's a we'd have gotten creamed on a stop market order going down there. Okay, we got to change the strategy here. We're going to sell a unit at the market. Hopefully, we'll see another bounce up here, maybe to that little high there at 14. We're going to sell a unit at the market, and you're going to stop up just above 14. When crude makes it, when gold makes a dive like this, normally, sell a unit at the market here. Sell a unit right here at the market. Okay, going to stop in just above at 14, just above 14. Stop. It shouldn't be any more than 10 ticks away. Shouldn't have anything more than 10 tick between where you entered and the stop. When gold does this, it generally follows through in a big way. So we've got several dollar drop right here. I would anticipate at least as big a drop coming off of here again. In fact, really from the 120 to 1825 area down to the 14 is really what we ought to be doing onto the downside here. So that's significantly more than we've got thus far. So I think we have plenty of room for an entry. Great. Another low. Let's see if it follows through here. Keep your stop up there above. We're not moving to break even because we can come up and get fished very easily and simply find ourselves immediately dropped down below. We really don't want to have that happen to us here. Gold tends to follow through, and there we are. Okay, great. We've dropped down a little bit lower here. Down to the 11 handle. Okay, down to the 10. Into the 10s. Okay, now bring your stop down to break even. Bring your stop down to break even now, and come down a little bit more here. I don't think that's all there is. We are slowing down some. We still have lower lows though, lower lows and lower highs, but slightly lower low. Each time it kind of bounces up a little bit. Okay, here we are at this 11.13 again. 11.13. Back down. Yeah, having a little trouble there. Okay, we're inching down. Okay, we dropped down some more. Great. Bring your stop down now to bring down to 12.5. Gives us a little bit more room in this. Great. Let's see. 12.5. Yeah, I got almost a dollar in this. Great, and the thing just keeps on going lower. Keeps going lower. That 11.3, 11.3 spot point up there is what we got to take notice of here. And we're going to stay with the market. Oh, look at that drop on. Yeah, we'd have some trouble with slippage on this. Okay, that looks like a similar sized move. Okay, this is the largest bounce we've had yet. It's the largest rally in this decline that we've had yet. So, I tell you what, as long as we stay below the 11.3 area, what we're going to do is we're going to try to sell another unit up here closer to, we're going to stay below that high. There we are, we're slightly above it. Below the 11, and quickly down again. Yeah, I think this is definitely going to go lower. I'll tell you what, anywhere in here, sell a second unit, and sell a second unit at the market, market order for a second unit, and put your stop up at 11.5 for the second unit, stop up at 18.11.5 for the second unit, and man, I'm starting to break down here some. Tell you what, bring the stop for the first unit down. Bring the stop for the first unit down to 11.5 also. We don't want to get tagged on this. Maybe that's too close, but at least what we've got is, small profit in here, enough to at least to cover transaction costs. Coming down towards the low again. We're through the low. Okay, great. Lower low. That was the lower. Oh, wow, that was a big drop. Right back up to 18.08. 08 even there. It stopped right there at 08. So this is have a little bit of defense for the downside here. Okay, bring your stop down now to 10. Bring your stop to 1810. And still looks like it wants to go down here. It's still looking like it wants to go down. It just keeps sort of dropping away. Oh yeah. Yeah, this really is, Tell you what, right here, sell third unit. Sell third unit at the market right now. And, make sure you bump your stop up to 3 units. Great. And, bring your stop down now to, bring it down to pardon me, bring it down to 07. Your stop, bring it on down to 07. Great. This is a fantastic move. We've almost got 10 handles in this move. There's 3 handles from our break-even point. Our average price on this on the way down has got 3 handles to our stop, which means we've got more distance between the low and our stop, which we don't really like. But yeah, we don't want to see this come back up into the 06. Tell you what, bring your stop right down to 06. From 07, put your stop down to 06, and then that way a little bit more profit in here. This looks congestive sideways. This is congestive sideways action right here. So that being the case, we'll expect another break. Okay, slightly lower low here. Oh yeah. Okay, drop down again. Drop down again. Good. Oh man, yes. Below 1800. We are below 1800. Now bring your stop down to 02. 1802. Put your stop for all 3 units down to 02. And, oh, this is a fantastic profit now. Okay, this is great profit. Great profit. We've got 8 handles in this one. 3 units. And every handle, 10 ticks, is $100. So, that's $800 per contract. So if you're trading 111, you're at $2,400. Good job, gold. Okay, now we want to make sure that what we're interested here is that was just a spike low. It looks like now we're starting to come up here, and this is now the biggest correction we've had yet, the deepest correction we've had yet in this move down. And we're trying to stay below the low that we broke down from, just below our stop there. And as long as we can do that, I think what we're doing is we're going to break lower here again. We're going to break lower here. Whoa, we break lower here again. Okay, right back up again though. This could be an indication that we're starting to see some reluctance now that we're down here in the mid-90s. I'll tell you what, okay, new low, bring your stop down to 99, 17.99 even. I realize this is kind of round numberitis stuff, but don't worry about that. It's going to come up here as we're not going to get filled on on a round number. Okay, down into the 2 handle even. Wow. This is a giant move lower. I did not anticipate this. I thought that we would see a different type of move, but not this. I thought we'd come down some, but nothing as big as this. And look at how it's all very nice structure. Lower lows, lower highs, very small congestive type of consolidations before breaking again. Very good structure. We've used market orders for each unit in this too. I much prefer selling, in a congestion area, and hopefully in the upper area of a congestion area if we want to be short, because that way the stops can be much closer and we actually have a much better, fill for our position. Okay, now we've come down, made a new low, came back and overlapped. So this is the most. Now we've got probably the most complicated move yet. This is the most complicated type stuff we got going on here. So we could come down a little bit lower, but I want to give this enough room to, just in case we get a shakeout up here. If we get a shakeout move coming up here, you know, to the 78 area, I don't want to have a stop it at 97. We make another lower low. Wow. Holy smoke, it's going again. Bring your stop down now to 97. Bring it on down to 97, just above the current highs, you know, or the consolidation that we broke down from. Wow. Man, we're down at the 90 handle. Look, I guess we're going to try the 80s. This is all lower lows, lower highs, and very good structure. It stops at the prior lows that we broke down from. So, I mean, this is, you know, volume isn't anything sensational, but now, oh, wow, down into the 87s now. Wow. Bring your stop down to 94.5. 1794.5. Your stop down 94.5. And look at this thing go. Wow. Tell you what, okay, bring your stop down to 73 now. 73 on this. And, wow. Whew, fantastic. We've got, I mean, this is like a, from our average price, it's been down 23 handles. Gigantic move. Absolutely gigantic move. So, okay, there. We just came above the prior high here. I've also drawn a little trend line from the prior, from where we broke down from across that most recent high there at 1795. That looks to me like the spot where we got to be careful of, because I mean it's real simple stuff. However, okay, we are above. We are above. This might be. Tell you what I want you to do is I want you to cover the position here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to get out here. Let's see. Yeah, we've got, well, man, we've got 17 to our stops, 17 handles, but yeah, okay, pay market for the position, cover the position, go ahead, cover the position, and make sure you cancel your stop, get out of that. I think what's going to happen is we're probably going to end up bouncing up some more from here. We'll dip down a little bit up. Great job. We got 18 handles, at least 18 handles on 3 units. That's gigantic. If you're trading 532, you make 20 grand on this. Wonderful. Okay, let's keep focused here. Maybe I'm wrong about this. We're just going to go right back down again. We're going to have to be careful. Let's keep focused on this. Good job, though. Great trade. It's a big surprise, but still good.